really bad, didn't I?
Yes, you did.
What did I do?
You burnt the fucking meat.
Why?
Turned the heat way too high.
And what else?
You put meat without any kind of oil on it on a non-stick, or on a pan that wasn't a non-stick pan, numbnuts. How did you turn this fucking bibs on? Huh? What?
You love me still?
I'm thinking about it.
I can cook macaroni and cheese.
Maybe. You might just burn it too. Like Angie when she burnt boiling water. She burnt water. Almost caught her kitchen on fire for burning water.
I love you.
No, you don't.
I'm sorry. I can't cook, I told you.
Somebody who loves somebody doesn't do this to their precious meat.
You didn't even know we had that meat.
I did too.
You didn't. Well, maybe I'll do better on these two.
No, because these are still good.
I thought we still got these ones. We're each having two.
Why?
Because we gotta do something with these. We don't have no.
Get them tomorrow night.
What are we gonna wrap them up in? And we're going to the mall tomorrow. Go ahead, say it.
How'd you know I was gonna say fuck?
You always say it. Look what you did. Now you made a mess. God, you can't see in here. Ugh.
At least I can cook.
I love you.
Love you too. Asshole.
Get the window open to vent out the smoke. See? Look at our cute little table.
Honey,
We've got glasses. What'd I do now? What?
do you not know that you gotta stir this macaroni?
It hasn't started boiling or anything
It
yet.
doesn't matter. It still sticks to the bottom. God.
You want to finish cooking? I love you.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna stay out of here, okay?
That's fine.
Okay.
You telling me, what time you gonna be home? Why? So I can cook dinner.
Normally I don't do that
Dinner.
bad. You are? That's just because I can't. That's about it.